Hello, this is for the final project. So we have a blueprint of our big data system. First, we're going to talk about the Spark batch. The data originated from our Apache log server, and then it will be uploaded to Amazon S3 in a zip or tar.gz format. So that happens every midnight after the log rotate. So we have the S3 CMD command to do the upload, the automated upload, and then afterwards it will be fed into our Spark batch and then be converted into a Parquet file. And then this Parquet file can be again reprocessed or be an input to our Spark batch, and then the Spark batch will send the important data into Elasticsearch and Kibana for visualization. So the first thing we're going to do is to convert a tar.gz and Parquet file. We have the source code right here. So as an example, we will just generate since we already uploaded the logs here, we assume that this is in S3, so we'll just regenerate the data, or we just recompute the data for December 6th. So first we're going to send this into our Parquet format in Amazon S3. So this code will do that work for us. Zip to Parquet, so it reads tar.gz and then it outputs a Parquet file right here. So it defines the schema of our data, since we're using data frame or Spark SQL. So let's run this application to convert our tar.gz log file into Parquet file. So it will become our master data set. So the Parquet file was generated. Let's refresh this. So we see that it was generated right here. So and then afterwards, since this data is now in our S3 as Parquet format, we will then reprocess this again so that it will be uploaded to Elasticsearch and for Kibana visualization. So that will be the task for this application, Scala application right here. So this one will upload from Parquet to Elasticsearch automatically. So we see that the input is a Parquet file, and then host is in a EC2. So we use Spark SQL data frame to do the cleanup of the data, and then we send it out to Elasticsearch. So now let's run this. First we'll see that the December 6th data is not yet in Elasticsearch. So let's run this. So it generates table for does the cleanup. So it automatically do the mapping. We did that programmatically in our Java code. So let's wait for a few minutes. While we're waiting, let's see the code that does the mapping. So it's right here. So we use a client transport. So this will create the mapping, and this will also create the index for us. So we define the timestamp right here. The type is a JPoint float. So the data was inserted. So let's see the mapping. Let's see if this is already in our Elasticsearch. So we see that the index was added. So this will comprise all the data that we have for December 6th. So now let's be on the content of the data by running this. So we see that we have a total of 8,522 for December 6th. So these are the data that we have. So now let's check on the visualization of this data. So far we have 2 million sold items. So we got the top country that have the most number of sales, the lowest number of sale, and the top selling product, and the lowest selling product. So we can also check on the location of our customers. So and then we have some information right here for the latest transactions. So that's pretty much what we have in our dashboard.